Confused about using Google Pay on your iPhone? Let's break down exactly what you can and can't do in the next 90 seconds. First, let's get one thing straight. You can't use Google Pay for tap-to-pay in stores with your iPhone. Apple restricts third-party apps from accessing the iPhone's NFC chip, meaning only Apple Pay can be used for contactless payments at retail terminals. However, you can use Google Pay on your iPhone to send money to friends and family. Open the Google Pay app and look for the Send button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. You'll now see your contact list. You can either scroll through it or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to send money to. Once you've selected a contact, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. Type in the amount and tap Continue. Next, you'll choose your payment method. You can link your bank account or debit card to Google Pay. Select your preferred method. Review the details one last time to make sure everything is correct, and then tap the Send button. And that's it. The money has been sent you and the recipient will receive a notification confirming the transaction. While you can't tap-to-pay, you can still manage your linked bank accounts and cards, view your transaction history, and adjust your app settings, all within the Google Pay app on your iPhone. So remember, Google Pay on iPhone is great for sending money, but not for those convenient in-store tap-to-pay transactions. Hope this cleared things up.